First thing I'm gonna do today is a face mask because it's winter time. My skin is dry. I really like using this mask from Ulta. It's the Infused Beauty Cream Mask. This one is actually so good. It's so hydrating. I just really like how it makes my skin feel afterwards, so. But welcome! Today I'm doing a day in the life of a college dropout. Yeah. To be clear, I dropped out of college because I decided to choose social media over school. Do I regret it? Absolutely not. Anyways, my apartment is very dirty. I just want to say, no judgment here. If you're not in college, don't feel bad. Like, college isn't for everyone. And who knows, like, it may not be your path now, but it could be your path later. And if college is your path, you go, girl. As long as you're doing something that makes you happy, like, why should I care? Why should anyone care? Do you? I'm gonna open some PR, but story time. Ever since I've started my channel, the #1 comment I get is I'm a catfish, or I look nothing like I do with makeup on. And all I have to say to that is good. I'm glad my makeup skills are good. I'm glad that me spending that hour doing my makeup actually makes a difference because I put in all that effort and I really don't want to look the same. I'm just kidding. This is a package from NARS. Oh my god, yes! This is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I've been really wanting to retry this concealer again. I have not tried it in years. The last time I tried this concealer was, I don't know, I think I was a sophomore in high school or freshman, so it's been a really long time. Madison Beer still uses this concealer like religiously, so I'm really glad I have this. Whoa! Oh yeah! So everything in here is from Akira, so thank you, Akira. But the first thing is this jacket. I feel like Letterman jackets are so trendy right now. What the heck is with my voice? My throat is on X Games mode right now. I've been wearing a lot of fluffy stuff on my channel because it's winter time and I feel like now is the time to do it. But I've learned that I enjoy winter so much more when I can wear pieces that I love, which I've discovered this year it is fluffy shit. This is the last item and I'm so excited for this. It is literally such a freaking statement piece. You guys ready? It's shoes. Ta-da! Yo, you cannot tell me these are not freaking sick. Oh my god, I could already like imagine the freaking photos in this because these boots are freaking live. Like, low-key, should I wear this to the rave I'm going to in a few weeks? Ooh, but I don't want to ruin them. Moon Stompers, how freaking cute. Anyways, guys, that is my little haul. I'm gonna wash this off and do my skincare. For skincare, we're gonna use this Good Out Vitamin C serum. I love this stuff. I am a whore for vitamin C. It's my favorite thing to put on my face. Then for moisturizer, I'm using this Cloudy Paris cream. And I love thick moisturizers. I don't care how oily my skin is. I feel like thick moisturizers is how I maintain good skin because my skin is like hydrated, and I feel like when my skin is hydrated, my skin just heals properly, like if I get a pimple or not. Gotten to this point of the video, comment Buttercup so I can give you guys a post notification shout out. I haven't been doing that these past few weeks, but I will be doing it at the end of today's video. But in order to get a shout out, you gotta comment Buttercup, you gotta turn on your post notifications, and be subscribed. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up because I appreciate it so much and it really helps with the algorithm. For breakfast, I'm just gonna air fry some breakfast sausages and eat them with rice. Let me clean up a little bit. My apartment is pretty messy. I have no excuses. I'm just a messy person. Guys, look, I got a new air fryer for Christmas. This shit is cute. I'm gonna be eating the Jacksonville brown sugar and honey breakfast sausages. These are my favorite sausages on the damn planet. If you guys don't know, I am moving back into my parents' house. Like right now I live by myself in this beautiful apartment. I'm crying. Living in my own apartment, it's been such a huge blessing, but it's also very stressful because like the amount of bills I have to pay is like redonkulous and taxes really be kicking my ass. So I'm moving back into my parents' house. We are gonna be doing renovations. Actually, we already started renovations and I haven't like really filmed anything about that, but I'll just show you guys a little video of how the house looks like right now. The walls are broken down and everything. I'm actually so excited to move back in. There's obviously like a lot of pros and cons. I think it'll be really hard to just adjust. There's so many pros. #1, we're doing renovations, so the house is gonna like look like my aesthetic and stuff. Tomorrow I'm actually gonna be going to choose my flooring, and I do have a lot of anxiety, so I think living with other people is gonna help my mental health so much. It already has helped a lot spending more time with my friends and family, but I have those days all the time where I feel super lonely, so I'm really glad I'm moving back in with people. Chloe. And number 3, the reason I'm really excited to move back in is that I get to save money because I really want to do traveling. And I've told you guys this before, but traveling to me has been very difficult living in this apartment, because if I want to go travel like for a week or 2, I just feel like it's not worth it because I'm paying already so much for this apartment. It's like, what's the point of paying all that to live somewhere else for like a week when I still have to pay for this place? It didn't freaking click in my head. Maybe it would if I was like stupid rich, but I'm not. Moving back in with my parents, I think is like such a good idea. Saving money, I get to go travel more, and on top of that, like, I get to use the money I save to invest in better things. I think long term is such a good idea. As you guys can tell, I like my sausages very crispy. Today bomb. I'm gonna do my makeup so I can make some reels. BRB. Voila, makeup is done. I just got done making a TikTok. Later on, I'm gonna be going to eat out with my friends, but we're gonna go try this new like Korean chicken wing place, and I'm really excited because apparently it's very, very good, and I've seen videos and it looks super good. I'm just wearing this blue corset top. I worn it in another vlog, but I really want pictures in it, so that's why I'm wearing it again. This is from Urban Outfitters, in case you guys are wondering. Anyways, I'm about to go and pick up Shar, and then we're gonna go to the restaurant, and Jewel and Tristan are coming. I always put her on the table because this is the only way I get her to stop barking. Hello everyone. She keeps trying to get at my necklace. It's not focusing. Why is it not focusing? Okay, we're city girls up. Look at her cute shoes. Oh my god. Winter girl. This is outfit kidding. But it looks cute. I like the color of the jacket. This jacket is so nice. This jacket is so nice. I did my hair different today. I was like, I noticed. Yeah, I could tell. City girls in the winter time. Oh my god, wait. She brought her light. Yeah. Does this actually work? Oh my god, it does. It's 30 degrees, guys. The reason why people who live in cold places don't think the cold is that cold is because we're so used to like -14 that when it's 30 degrees, we're like, holy shit. It's warm. Yeah. So like, it's cold right now, but it's been worse. You know what I mean? Pretty cold. I'm actually freezing now. I'm cold now. Out here. Yeah, it's because I'm just standing here. Yeah. You can see Jules. They're trying to stay warm. Comment below a snowflake. Yeah. Comment below a snowflake if you're watching this part of the video. Let's go. Okay. Jules, I saw. 조용하게 음악을 틀어. 이 노래가 혹시 너에게 방해가 될까봐 나는 조심하는 중이야. 될까봐 나는 조심하는 중이야. 널 사랑한 사람 수 없는 별 아래 그림 같은 손. 하지만 이제 나지 못하는 밤 인생은 동화가 아니라는 것만. Looking at the lighting. 어디로 아저씨 난 자꾸 뒤를 돌아봐요 맥없이. 걸어온 길 위에 놓인 점들이 많아 그림만 살펴 속에는 나의 철로 사랑했으니 나는 왜 없어 What the past 고민해 너를 봐 푸른 하늘 구름처럼 새롭게 피어나 미래 소리는 너 푸른 바다 저 멀리. Do you want to come with us to make TikToks or do you want to go home? You're putting him on the spot. Do you or do you not? Yeah. Do you know the Muffin Man?
No, I'm probably just gonna go.
Okay. Party pooper. Debbie Downer. Adios. How do you say friend? Amigo. Oh, peace out, Tris. Bye. What side is your snowboard in? None. We didn't get it yet. Not the boots. Fuck. Not the boots. Fuck, it's cold, yo. Sorry. It's hot. It's not that bad.
My fingers are like numb.
Numb.
They're like, there's like no feeling in it.
Why do I sound like the fucking movie? Oh yeah! The girl where she's like teaching her how to like sing. I'm not on singing TikTok. Is that singing TikTok?
No, it's a sound.
Should we just make the TikTok in here?
Should we make an acapella song?
Oh my gosh, should we sing? Wait, that was I was like, oh, that's the real. today's video ends, I do want to do a post notification shout out. The person I'm doing the shout out for today didn't say Buttercup, but that is okay because these shout outs are for people who I know. Always comment right away. Today's post notification shout out is gonna go to Janine Manzano. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you so much for having a post notification shout outs on. I appreciate it so much. You're appreciated. I appreciate every single one of you guys. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was short. I'm pretty sure it was short. There wasn't much going on, but at this point, like, I'm just making videos to make videos because why not? You know, this is my channel. It's a diary. And that being said, I will see you guys in another video. Bye. Mwah.